Hi guys, today I wanted to give you a quick video on how to use the timer controls on the XtremePowerUS sand filter pump. And I've got the 13-inch, it's running the, doing a great job, 13-inch sand filter doing a great job on my Coleman steel pool. But the instructions aren't real clear on how to use the timer, so I wanted to just talk you through that real quick here today, and hopefully this will be of help to you and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So here we've got our controls, and perhaps you can see the lights that are lit up. We've got the on-off button and the timer button, and then a bunch of LED lights. There are two modes of use. One's called continuous use mode, the second's called single use mode. When you plug in your pump, by default it's on the continuous use mode, and what you do is use the timer button just to set the number of hours scrolling through these LEDs that you want your pump to run. So let's say 4 hours, so the 4-hour LED is blinking. Then I simply hit on the on-off button and it starts. So it's 12 noon, so this is going to run for 4 hours and then shut off. And then tomorrow at 12 noon, it's going to do the same thing. That's the continuous part. It's daily. It'll run from 12 to 4 for 4 hours every day, continuously, automatically. Now, the other mode is single use mode, when you don't want it to keep repeating every day. So what you got to do is take the timer button and hold it until this final light illuminates right there. So it might be about 5 seconds. Just press and hold the timer button. Now you are in single use mode, and you can choose your number of hours that you want it to run, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And then you start it with the on-off button. Now it's going to run for 4 hours and then shut off. But tomorrow it will not automatically come on again. It's a single use mode. If I want it to come on again, I'm going to have to come out here manually and turn it on again. So that's how you use the single use mode, and this little LED here at the end indicates that we are in single use mode. I hope that's of help to you as you use and enjoy your XtremePowerUS sand filter and pump. Have a great swimming season, and thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.